No, DNA is created. A zygote.
DNA is not created.
A DNA. No, that's not true. The DNA.
Charlie,
The
Charlie,
DNA coding at the zygote. Hold on. Time out.
I'll let you finish.
Does a zygote have a unique marker?
Charlie, DNA.
Does a zygote have a unique marker?
You have to let me speak. You have to
answer it. Yes or no. Does a zygote have a unique marker?
define a unique marker.
Meaning, can you differentiate the DNA coding between the mother and the zygote if you examine it under a deoxyribonucleic acid analysis? Can you?
Only purely because the addition comes from the father.
Oh, so it is something different.
Charlie, DNA is not created. DNA is not created. You have, the father has his own genome, the mother has her own genome. They fuse. This is why you have the same characteristics, similar ones to your mother, similar ones to your father. That's why you have similar characteristics to your siblings. DNA is not created, right? So when you ask me, where does a human being come from? I can say to you, it starts at conception, but all conception is these two cells joining, right? But these two cells were created, the mother cells were created long before, they were created when she was a fetus. So there's none of this DNA being produced, right? So we can't establish, the only thing that happens at conception is these two cells fuse. Now this idea that means that for some reason, suddenly that moral worth comes in, but it wasn't there before when you had these two cells who had half the DNA, but suddenly there's a
Correct,
yes,
something magical happens at that.
It's not magical, Charlie, we know about this.
Well, hold on.
Charlie.
Time out, hold on.